Yes, there is a storm out in the Pacific, and no, it is not heading toward California. This one's running up against persistent high pressure and heading due north, and leaving us with a very mild mid-February evening, still in the upper 60s across the valley. Redding just dipping below 70 degrees to 69 right now. Chico 67, Paradise 64, a little bit cooler in the mountains, but normally we'd be in the 20s and 30s in the mountains at this time of day, this time of year. Right now, 44 in Alturas is a cool spot, 58 in Bernie, 55 in Chester. Humidity pretty dry today. We'll see it pop up tomorrow morning, so we may get a little touch of fog from Chico south right along the Sacramento River. If any patches of fog show up at all, it'll be long gone tomorrow afternoon. Once again, your Monday going to be sunny, warm, and dry. Pretty impressive storm in the Pacific. Look at the direction it's going, due north. High pressure entrenched over California, as it has been most of the winter outside of December and last weekend or so. So the weather's going to be pretty much the same all week long. Very spring-like temperatures in the 70s. No rain in the forecast for at least 8 or 9 days. I want to show you why. High pressure overhead right now, keeping us sunny, warm, and dry. This is Monday. You can see it really hasn't gone anywhere. Tuesday, pretty much the same. Wednesday, it kind of flattens out a little bit. So we'll see a drop in temperatures because of this by maybe 2 or 3 degrees. By Thursday, Friday, the high pressure ridge starts to rebuild, and next weekend looks like a carbon copy of this weekend. Sunny, warm, and dry. As far as clouds, we are pretty much cloud-free over the next couple days. By Tuesday, we'll see some fog and low clouds along the coast, maybe 100 or so miles west of here, which is a very spring-like pattern, and that's pretty much what our weather forecast looks like over the next couple of days and longer. Lows tonight in the upper 20s and 30s in the mountains. Chester right around the freezing mark. 40s once again in the valley. 46 in Red Bluff and in Redding. 47 in Chico and 47 in Paradise. Western mountains tomorrow, mostly sunny and warm. Mid-60s around Weaverville and Hayfork to lower 70s around Lakehead. Eastern mountains sunny and warm as well after a chilly morning with a little bit of frost. 62 in Alturas tomorrow to 63 in Chester, 65 in Bernie. The valley is going to be downright balmy for mid-February. Once again in the 70s. 72 in Chico, 71 in Gridley and Durham tomorrow to 72 in Orland. Long-range forecast for Chico, pretty much the same. Maybe a little bit cooler by Sunday. Highs in the 70s pretty much all week long. Scooting up the valley to Redding tomorrow. Your highs once again in the mid-70s. 76 in Redding tomorrow, which is 2 degrees cooler than today, if we can use the word cooler at all in the forecast. 75 in Cottonwood tomorrow to 74 in Red Bluff. Redding, your long-range forecast does not have a single drop of rain, but has plenty of 70s. Now, models are starting to indicate about 10 days out, the end of the month, we may get a change in the weather. That's too far out to be certain, but we'll certainly keep watching that. All right, Jerry, back to you.
Thank you, Mike.